Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say oysters in French. We're famous, the French that is, for eating oysters. So how do you say it? Well, that's this word here, and it is said as huîtres, huîtres. So the H is silent, then you've got the U sound for the U, then I, the accent doesn't do anything to the pronunciation really, so don't worry about it. And then the S is silent at the end. Huîtres, les huîtres, les huîtres. Yes, if you put a les before, we generally make a liaison, so you pronounce the S because it's before the U. So les huîtres, you would say, or huîtres. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting French food names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.